Russell Brunson says that websites are dead and all you need is a funnel. Could he be right? So if you're watching this video, it is for one of three reasons. One, you have a website and it's not converting the traffic. Two, you have a funnel and now you think you need a website. Or three, you don't have either, you're trying to decide which one's going to be best for you. Relax, young Padawan. By the end of this video, all the answers you shall have. So first, quick story. There once was a time I was a young, naive entrepreneur, just like you. Just kidding, I'm still a young, naive entrepreneur. We spent about $80,000 building our website, and then someone put me onto Russell's books. By the way, if you haven't read them, they're absolutely incredible. .com secrets, traffic secrets, expert secrets. But anyways, all of these books were preaching the same thing. Build a funnel, one funnel away. Funnel hacking, all you need is a funnel. And I was like, shit, I need a funnel, I guess. So what did I do? Spent another $10,000 building a funnel, learned how to build funnels, read all the books, understood funnels. And guess what happened? You won't believe it. It worked. We started to convert way more cold traffic through our funnel than we were doing on our website. Does that mean Russell was right? Our website's really dead? Do we just scrap our whole $80,000 website and just focus on building funnels? So after years of building one of the biggest PR firms in the country, definitely the fastest growing, with over 50 employees, $5 million per year in revenue, I have the answers for you. Are you ready for it? You need both. If you want to build a brand made of steel that's going to be passed down to your children's children, you need to have a website. So imagine that your company is like your house. Your back-end systems, your operations, all of that stuff lives inside of the house. People don't really see it. Your website, on the other hand, is the outside of the house. It's everything that they see as they drive by. It's your garden, it's your fountains, it's the exterior, your paint, your flowers, your driveway, it's everything. Now you need a strong website to establish authority, trust, and show that you have experience as a company, as a brand. Your funnel, however, is like your driveway. Without one, your visitors might stumble upon your yard, walk around, not really know what they're looking for, look at all the pretty things, and then leave. A funnel creates a very specific path exactly where you want them to go, which is your front door. In our business, we have both. We have a WordPress website that has cost us well over $100,000. It brings in 10,000 daily visitors through organic SEO, blogs, people referring people to our website. You need a home base. You need a house. We also have very successful funnels through ClickFunnels that get our users, our cold ad traffic, our email traffic to do exactly what we want them to do, which is typically take a specific action, purchase something, give us their email address. So quick recap, ready? Number one, websites, better for SEO, long-term growth and organic traffic. Two, websites make your brand trustworthy. You need it to build authority for people to trust you. That goes for recruiting as well. Number three, websites allow your customers to learn as much as possible about your company. There's so much information, usually you can't fit it in a single landing page or even multiple funnels. Funnels, on the other hand, are great and superior at driving traffic to do exactly what you want them to do, which is take a very specific action. So use them both and you will build a fortress of a company. Now, yes, there are a lot of DTC, that's direct-to-consumer marketers, making millions using only funnels. I've seen them, you've seen them. But is that a company or a product? Is that a brand or a person? I want you to build big brands. I want you to build a fortress, the Empire State Building of companies. And to do that, you need to have a website. You need to have a house. You need to have the outside of the house. You need a driveway. As always, I'm here for you as a mentor, as a friend, as a fellow entrepreneur. Feel free to send me a message on Instagram at Dr. J. Feldman, and I will reply absolutely free. I have nothing to sell you, no courses, no paid subscriptions. See you on the other side.